Hello and welcome to the Year 9 options video for OCR, Enterprise and Marketing. The exam board that we follow is OCR, and the overall qualification is called the Cambridge National Enterprise and Marketing. It's our business related qualification. The qualification consists of three components. R067 is assessed by an end of course exam, which is an hour and 15 minutes and is studied at the end of year 11. And components R068 and R069 are both related to each other, and they are coursework units that must be completed before the exam can be taken. At the end of the course, you will be awarded a grade from level 2 distinction star to you based upon your performance. So the components that you study. We begin by looking at R067, enterprise and marketing concepts, and these give you the basic understanding related to advertising, marketing, setting up a small business, financial documentation needed to start a business, and other business related concepts that can then be applied to the coursework that begins halfway through year 10. And we start with the coursework unit R068, which is designing a business proposal. The exam board sets a assignment that you must then build a small business from. So this year, my current students are having to design a ice cream business, and they are having to put together a business proposal, which is quite extensive. It includes things like setting aims and objectives, doing market research, primary, secondary, going out and doing it themselves, collecting it from the internet, organising interviews, organising focus groups, carrying out surveys. They then have to analyse these results and use the results that they have got to design a ice cream. Now, in future years, it will be different products, but it will be following the same idea. So students then design their product and they market it, they advertise it, they create it, and then they sell it. Once they've sold it, they then look at how that idea could be improved and they build that business proposal, which by the end of year 10 is sent off to the exam board for assessment. In year 11, they study the R069 coursework, which is where they then take the idea that they have created in their R068 and they market and pitch it in a Dragon Den style scenario. They must build upon their confidence and their presentation skills to be able to develop their presentation and pitch it to a group of investors. And this is recorded. They are scored on their presentation. They are scored upon their presentation skills, and a grade is given for that unit based upon that, which is then sent off to the exam board for moderation. As previously said, they sit the R067 exam at the end of their course in year 11. So they study half that unit in year 10, and then they then go back and study it before the exam in year 11 in May. A little bit about the grades, because I often get questions from students and parents about, is it equivalent to a GCSE style 1 to 9 grading? And it is. Colleges and universities recognise it as equivalent to a GCSE. We aim for every student to achieve a level 2 qualification, pass and above. So if they achieve a level 2 pass, that is equivalent to a 4. A level 2 merit is equivalent to a GCSE style 5 to 6, depending on where they fall within the grade boundary. A level 2 distinction is grade 7. And then if they were to achieve a level 2 distinction star, which is a fantastic result, that would be around about an 8 or a 9. If students don't quite meet the criteria for level 2, they can come out with a level 1 qualification. A level 1 distinction is around about a 3. Level 1 merit, 2. Level 1 pass, 1. If they don't meet enough to get the level 1 pass, it would go down as an overall fail. In terms of careers, this course is designed to teach students the principle of starting and running a small business enterprise and gives them the knowledge, skills, and confidence to be able to do this. Many students then choose to study it in further education at college by studying things maybe similar, such as the OCR technical qualifications, or an A-level in business studies or economics, or sometimes combined. Many students then choose to explore this further at university by studying business-related degrees. Once they get to university, they should have an idea of what specific part of business interests them, and they can choose to study a course linked to that. Some of the jobs that directly link into the degree, and there are loads because business fits with so many other careers and jobs and subjects. But we've got data analysis, data scientists, project managers, stockbrokers, supply chain managers, and many students who study the qualification go on to work in lots of different careers using the skills, knowledge, and confidence that they've gained from studying the course. If you have any questions about the course and would like any further information, please speak to your teacher or the head of department, Mr. Myers. Thank you.